guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix YouTube video automatically pause problem. So let's get started. So if you want to fix this problem where your YouTube video gets automatically paused and you want to stop that, so to stop that what you can do is just simply open up your YouTube application, and after opening up your YouTube application just tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. After tapping on your profile icon, now what you can do is just tap on settings which is on the top right. After tapping on that settings icon, just tap on general, and after tapping on general you can find these two options, and the first one is remind me to take a break and the second one is remind me while it's bedtime. So what you can do is, if these options are turned on, what you have to do is just turn them off. So by turning them off you will fix your problem, and after doing this what you can do is just simply open up your settings, and after opening up your settings you have to search for apps, and after searching for apps, inside your apps, you have to search for YouTube. So here you can find your YouTube application, and after coming up to your app info, what you can do is just simply tap on permission, and here you can find this option which is files and media, and if it's not allowed, what you can do is just simply allow access to media. So after doing that, what you have to do is just simply tap on storage and cache, and then clear your cache. And after doing that, now you'll fix your problem. So that's it guys, this is how to fix YouTube video automatically pause problem. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.